Namaste, divine beings. Within every one of us is a deep urge to awaken our highest self and shine all our potentials and to light our innermost sacred fires. For thousands of years, across the globe, seekers had wished to come to Mother India to alight this sacred lamp within. Mahasivratri happens once a year when there is a perfect alignment astronomically and astrologically to create the vortex of time to wake up, to enlighten. This year, February 28th is Mahasivratri. February 16th is the day of the journey within. This is an epic pilgrimage that we can give ourselves wherever we are. And this is a journey within to purify the body and mind, to awaken to the breath beyond breath and the spirit that we are. Mahasivratri as a vortex of enlightenment. This February 12th, Saturday, I wish to invite your presence to the introduction of Mahasivratri, where I can share my guidance for us to do the epic pilgrimage within ourselves to light our inner lamp and dissolve away the limits of the body as hunger, heat, and cold, the mind's limit as of sleep, and to step into being the dancer of the universe, the states of superconsciousness, Turiya, which is the objective of yoga and meditation. Mahasivratri is the time when, as we do our pilgrimage within, we are the miracle of Source in the experience of transformation, of evolving, of resolving all of the life challenges, of awakening all the potential. This year, Mahasivratri, February 28th, waits for us, for each to be the pillar of light and to celebrate the joy and beauty of consciousness that we awaken for ourselves. Looking forward to your divine presence starting February 12th, Saturday, 1 p.m. Grateful divine beings. Om Namah Shivaya.